Cruise ships might look like floating paradises, but step inside your cabin and you could be one mistake away from fines, safety violations, or even getting kicked off mid-voyage. From hidden charges to silent fire hazards, we're diving into cruise cabin mistakes that most passengers don't even realize they're making. Stick around, because chances are you've already broken one of these rules without even knowing it. That mini bar in your cabin? It's a luxury price trap. A chilled soda or a mini whiskey bottle might call your name, but here's the catch. Even if you've paid for the drink package, the mini bar is almost never included. That means mystery charges on your bill, and the cruise line counts on it. One guest grabbed a soda on day one, thinking it was free. By the end of the cruise, a $6.95 charge for a single can. Skip the surprise fees. Hit the buffet, grab a cocktail by the pool, or order room service instead. It's all covered. The mini bar isn't worth it. Think lighting up just one cigarette won't hurt? Think again. Whether it's tobacco, a vape pen, a cigar, or even herbal stuff that's legal back home, it's all strictly banned inside your cabin and even on your balcony. No exceptions. Why so harsh? Because fire is one of the most serious threats on a ship. A single spark can turn into a disaster at sea, and cruise lines don't mess around with that. That's why they have designated smoking areas, properly ventilated and safely located. So don't take the risk. Light up in the wrong spot, and you might find yourself packing your bags early. Or worse, banned from cruising again. Safer for everyone, way less drama for you. One guest thought it'd be cute to hang birthday streamers using sticky hooks. By the end of the cruise, a $50 charge for peeling paint. Cruise cabins aren't college dorms. No taping, no sticking, no hammering. You're sharing this space with the next guest and the crew who keeps it spotless. Want to decorate? Bring things that don't leave a trace. Or better yet, let the ocean view be your backdrop. It's already perfect. That bathrobe hanging in your closet? Soft, tempting, totally not yours. Sure, it feels like it was made for royalty. And yes, you might be thinking it'd make the perfect souvenir. But here's the deal. Cruise lines are generous with the little stuff like shampoos or shower gel, not with robes, towels, or slippers. Take one home, and it might quietly show up as a charge on your account, or not so quietly if the cabin steward reports it missing. You'll find better souvenirs at the next port, ones that don't smell like laundry detergent and ocean breeze. Leave the robe where it belongs, in the cabin, not your suitcase. If you're staying in a balcony cabin, here's a mistake that seems harmless, but can cause real chaos: opening your cabin door and the balcony door at the same time. What happens next? A wind tunnel. We're talking slamming doors, flying papers, overturned drinks, maybe even a minor injury if someone's in the way. It's all about air pressure. Cruise ships are sealed environments, and the sudden airflow between hallway and open ocean can create a surprising gust. So here's the rule: one door at a time, always. It keeps your cabin calm and your fingers out of harm's way. The view from your balcony? Stunning. The railing? Not a seat, not a footrest, and definitely not a place to lean back for that perfect selfie. It might feel solid, but cruise railings aren't designed to hold your full weight. One misstep, one moment of imbalance, and you're not just ruining your trip, you're risking your life. And if you're traveling with kids or teens, this rule becomes non-negotiable. Always keep the balcony door locked when you're not in the room, and never let little ones go out there unsupervised. Enjoy the breeze, snap your photos, soak it all in, but keep both feet planted firmly on the deck. That's where the memories happen. Safely. You might only see them once or twice a day, but your cabin steward is quietly working behind the scenes to keep your cruise experience smooth, clean, and surprisingly comfortable. They're up before you, working long after you've gone to bed. Fresh towels, fluffed pillows, that adorable towel animal? Yep, all of them. So here's the golden rule: treat them with respect. A warm smile, a quick thank you, a bit of tidying up before you leave the room. It doesn't take much, but it means a lot. And yes, tipping matters. It's a big part of their income, and a small gesture from you can have a huge impact on someone who works incredibly hard to make your vacation feel effortless. That little sign hanging on your cabin door, it's more powerful than you think. Flip it to Do Not Disturb, and voila, instant privacy. Whether you're napping, getting dressed, or just want quiet time, that sign tells everyone to stay out, no questions asked. On the flip side, ready for your room to get fresh towels and a quick tidy up? Flip it to Makeup Room. Your steward will swing by while you're out and have everything spotless by the time you return. It's a tiny tool, but it gives you full control over your space. Use it, and you'll never come back to an unexpected knock or missed cleaning. Nothing ruins formal night faster than realizing your outfit is wrinkled, and your iron is sitting in the confiscated bin back at check-in. Cruise ships ban irons, steamers, and even surge protector power strips for safety reasons. Pack one, and it'll never make it to your cabin. Instead, go wrinkle-free with smart fabrics, use onboard pressing services, or embrace the "I'm on vacation" look. Either way, it beats losing your gear before the ship even leaves port. A passenger on our last sailing thought a little CBD oil in her toiletry bag was no big deal. By the next port, she was escorted off the ship with no refund, no return, and a lifetime ban. Even if it's legal in your state, cruise ships follow international laws and strict policies, and most of them don't play around with CBD, even the THC-free kind. So before you pack that just for sleep tincture, ask yourself, is it really worth losing the entire vacation over a bottle the crew won't hesitate to report? We met a couple who left their passports out on the desk. After a rushed morning and a missing item report, they missed their shore excursion, and 3 ports later, they were still stuck on board, dealing with paperwork. Your cabin might feel secure, but things go missing more often than you'd think. And with hundreds of passengers and crew around, it's better to be safe than scrambling at guest services. Use the in-room safe for anything you can't afford to lose: passports, credit cards, cash, jewelry, even your backup meds. Bonus tip, take photos of your important documents and upload them to the cloud. If something goes missing, you've got digital copies ready. Cruise with peace of mind, lock it up, and go enjoy your day. Love scented candles? Incense? A little birthday cake with real candles? Not on a cruise. Open flames are strictly banned inside your cabin, and for good reason. Fire is one of the most dangerous situations on a ship, and even a small flame can lead to a major emergency. That means no candles, no matches, no lighters, and definitely no burning anything just for a second. It may look innocent, but cruise lines treat it as a serious hazard. Craving some ambiance? Opt for a battery-powered diffuser or LED candle instead. Same cozy mood, zero safety risk. Cruise ship toilets aren't like the ones at home. They use a powerful vacuum system that can handle only one thing besides, well, regular toilet paper. Anything else, wipes, feminine products, tissues, cotton balls, even dental floss, can clog the pipes fast. And when that happens, you're not just messing up your bathroom. You might cause problems for the cabins above, below, and all around you. So please, don't be the reason Deck 6 smells like regret. If it's not toilet paper, it goes in the trash. Simple rule, big difference. That late night movie, your neighbor just gave it 2 stars without even turning on their TV. Cruise ship walls are paper thin. Your music, your phone calls, even your suitcase zippers in the morning, they all travel further than you think. And don't forget the doors. Cabin doors are heavy, and when they slam, it echoes like a drum line at 6 a.m. Being a good cruise neighbor doesn't take much. Lower the volume, use headphones, close doors gently, and save the sing-alongs for karaoke night. Your hallway reputation will thank you. That balcony may feel like your own little sanctuary, but it's not nearly as private as it seems. People above you, beside you, even across the ship can see what's happening out there. Some cruise ships dock side by side, meaning you could have an unexpected audience from a neighboring vessel. So if you're thinking about changing clothes, having a private call, or doing anything you wouldn't want strangers to see, move it inside. Enjoy the ocean air, the view, the peaceful vibe, but save your personal moments for behind closed curtains. Packing light? Smart move. Turning your cabin into a full-blown laundry room? Not so much. We once saw a sock fly off someone's balcony. Pretty sure it made it to Jamaica before they did. Hanging wet clothes on balcony chairs or across lamps may seem harmless, but it's messy, unsafe, and not exactly cruise chic. Clothes can drip on passengers below, blow away with the breeze, or even trigger safety issues indoors. Need clean clothes? Use the ship's laundry service or self-service machines. Or better yet, pack smart and rewear your comfy favorites. Keep your cabin a cabin, not a sail-powered laundromat. Just stepping out for a minute? Grabbing ice? Running to the buffet real quick? If you've got kids in the cabin, don't leave them alone, not even for a second. Cruise cabins may seem safe, but they're filled with things curious little hands shouldn't touch. Balcony doors, sharp corners, emergency buttons, you name it. Plus, kids can get scared or disoriented when left alone in an unfamiliar place. If you need to step out, bring them with you or make sure another adult is there. Many cruise lines even offer supervised kids clubs. Fun for them, peace of mind for you. It's not just about safety, it's about being a responsible cruise parent from the moment you step on board. So there you have it, 17 cruise cabin mistakes that might seem small, but can cost you big time. From surprise charges to safety mishaps, knowing what not to do can save your trip before it even starts. A little awareness, a little courtesy, and a bit of planning, that's all it takes. Avoid these mistakes, and your cruise won't just be fun. It'll be unforgettable for all the right reasons. Now it's your turn. Have you ever seen someone break one of these rules on board? Or maybe learned a lesson the hard way? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your stories. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and share it with a cruise buddy who needs the warning. Happy sailing, and we'll see you on deck.